Guys, just harvested fresh plums in our garden, and I'm going to show you how to make a hot and spicy plum chutney, and it's going to be a very delicious one. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi, a Filipino living in France. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel in English. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best plum chutney you ever tasted. Before I start cooking, here is a short preview of some of my other Filipino recipes from my Filipino cooking channel. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the preview. Let's start cooking this plum chutney. Here are the ingredients of my plum chutney: plums, vinegar, marmalade, apple, lemon, onion, sultanas, cinnamon, brown sugar, salt, chili pepper, and bay leaves. Now let's start cooking my plum chutney. This is very easy dish to cook. Just put everything in one pot and let the ingredients work their magic. So let's pour the vinegar first. Then add the lemon juice. Okay guys, and you have to catch the seeds. There you are. Then add the marmalade, about 4 tablespoons. Okay guys. There you are. Now we can add the salt and the cinnamon. Okay guys. Now let's add the star ingredient, the plums. Okay, beautiful plums. Then we can add the apples. Okay guys. Onion. The chili pepper. Okay guys. The sultanas. Our brown sugar. And our bay leaves. Okay guys. Give it a stir. Mix everything up. And put your heat on high. And bring it to boil. Now your plum chutney is boiling. Turn your heat to medium. This is going to take 45 minutes to an hour to cook. Stir regularly so that it stops from catching. Guys, while the chutney is cooking, just to mention the jars, we have a random selection because it's for our use. If we're making this plum chutney as a homemade Christmas present or a birthday gift, then you probably go out and buy special jars. Guys, we've sterilized these jars in a boiling water for 10 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's take a look at our plum chutney. As you can see, our plums have broken down. You cannot see them anymore. Let's give it a stir. And remember guys, keep stirring. Just another 15 minutes. Guys, while we're waiting for our chutney to cook, let's stop for a quick ad break.
Same old sandwiches, day after day. Getting tired eating the same thing week after week. Then try our plum chutney to make a sandwich that bites back.
Wow, that's delicious.
Plum chutney, the chutney with attitude. Find it at your local stores very soon.
Welcome back guys, let's carry on with the cooking. Guys, my plum chutney is almost ready. Let's give it a try. Wow, it has a real dip of flavor and it will brighten up any sandwich. After 45 minutes, our plum chutney is now ready. Guys, you really have to fill the jars up to the brim so that when you put the lid on, there is no air inside. This helps preserve the plum chutney. There you go guys, our plum chutney is ready. The plum chutney will firm once it's cooled down. Guys, I apologize. This plum chutney is so good and it's very addictive. So much so, once your supply is running low, you will be worrying what you're gonna put in your sandwiches. I hope you enjoy my plum chutney recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. More recipe to follow from my Filipino cooking channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Stay tuned guys because I release new Filipino recipes every week from my Filipino cooking channel.